PDP! Power to the people! Power to the men! Power to the women! And power to the great Nigerian! Distinguished delegates, our leaders of our great party, starting from our chief host, former governor of Rivers State, Honorable Minister Nelson Wike, our other former governors present, Excellency Sule Lamido, Amen Mankampli, Excellency Norton Ayofayose, the chairman of the convention, as well as the city center Dankabo, leader of the PDP in the Senate, Senator Abamo, leader of the House of the PDP, minority leader Chinda, the chairman of the POT, Senator Mao Abba, chairman of the caretaker committee and members of the caretaker committee, and distinguished senators and members of the House of Representatives. Let me pay my greetings to all you all that have made today what it is. When you look at the spectacle of those present here, and even as we were driving in, those who are outside, we can only say we thank Almighty God, because it shows that PDP is alive, PDP is kicking, and PDP is here to stay. It is clear that PDP, what we see here and what we see outside, is deeply rooted in this country, from Yobe to Jigawa, from Kwara to Benue, from Lagos to Bayelsa to Imo, across Nigeria. PDP is firmly within the minds of the people of Nigeria. As I walked in, not only seeing the people, and also seeing the presence of the Independent Electoral Commission. I say that because for some of us, we have always advocated that what is our mission? Our mission is to ensure that we create a platform on PDP for those who want to aspire any ambition come 2027. And to do that, we must ensure that we have the validity of our processes. So we thank God that at a second attempt, we are here now doing a convention that has that validity of the INEC, which is key in this process. So as I thank the Almighty God, we must thank those who worked hard, tirelessly, for this day to happen. And in doing that, we must give credit where credit is deserved, and pay particularly attention, appreciation, again, to His Honorable Minister, the Convention Committee, the Caretaker Committee, and all the leaders who are here, members of the National Assembly, who despite all intimidation, blackmail, whatever, still stood firm with this party. Today is a great opportunity for us in the PDP to chart our way forward. Because now, we now have a party that can present candidates at the 2027 election. We now have a party that people can no longer blackmail our aspirants, make fun of them that, oh, you will not be on the ballot paper. Now we know PDP will be on the ballot paper in 2027. This is a great achievement. Months ago, nobody thought we could do this. And that is why Even for those who are not here, as I was making my way here, I was talking to some. Come and join us. They said, SP, go ahead. If I see INEC there, I know there's validity. I'll be part of this process from tomorrow. I now call on those who are seeing legality here and validity. Let's put hands together and make sure that we forge ahead as one family. For those who are not yet there, I appeal to you again. It is not about interest. It's not about our individual objective. It is the collective responsibility of this great party to this great country. PDP has come to stay, and inshallah will not only come to stay, will be victorious in the elections coming in 2027. As I close, I also want to appeal to those that will be elected today in the leadership of the party to please look at all the sacrifice that has been made to get you here and ensure that we do our best to make sure that we have a party that is fair to everybody, a party that will ensure that all our aspirants get a level playing field. On that note, I must thank once again the convention committee who have worked hard. I remember the last time we were here, this is not only as beautiful, it is even more beautiful than when we were here last time. I thank you all for all the work you have done. I thank all our leaders, all our delegates, all of us that have taken the personal cost to be here. Let us forge ahead now. Those who are watching who are not part of us, let us join hands together and lead PDP to where we belong in the democracy and in the governance of this great country. I salute you all. I thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We are here. We are here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear member of the family in Nigeria, I stand here to talk to you from the point of history of PDP in Nigeria. I've had all the speakers speak, and I had time to say to reflect. Indeed, to reflect. Well, the PDP in Nigeria. What in front of the PDP in Nigeria? What was the vision and the dream and the window of the founder of the PDP in our hearts? In 1998, the main problem of PDP was national unity. The problem of the days of Unfiltered. And therefore, needed an arrangement for some of the people myself, and the making a payment. Then I don't know. They look at it. They say that they go to AP. They can no say I am myself sit down. When I was trying to form into freedom party in 1967. I'm not saying that because Nigeria has been disdained by both men and home in the middle of the nation. Because Nigeria is the Naija of the blackness. Because Nigeria is the blackness. Because Nigeria is the Gawa. There's a lot of material, human, and also material. Big history, strong history and country. The state play a role in the nation in the leader of the black man. Therefore, they must sacrifice the very beginning. Whatever we do, whatever we eat as people, that has to be the main focus. Individual interests and issues, there is no place where Nigeria is involved. And so the people will find it. Those who are under authority now, you will be able to fully appreciate and understand the sacrifices of our family. And here today is a bridge between the old order everybody. To give you hope, to inspire you, to motivate you. Don't give up. Stand for Nigeria. We are today where we are in 1998. And we produce tribal politics, religion, ethnicity, and the very beginning. And there is no way a country can grow. There is no way a big place to do the nation if we are not united in Nigeria as a minimum benchmark in the population. Therefore, what we properly need, what we maybe national political benchmark, national interest, something we get around. And today I'm having that. People who are problem difficulties, they know the PDP, our collective commitment in the will is here again trying to get the PDP. I would urge those who are able, please, to stay a politician. When you talk about the PDP, it's a Nigerian family. It's not about any individual, or ego, or ambition. PDP is in every village, in every home. The other principles I told you, other APC, most of them were the creation of PDP. If you look at the APC, if you take away PDP, all of them are PDP. The is PDP. All the people in APC and PDP. Look at APC, the three players in PDP. They love PDP. Therefore, I think that please, if you run away from your home to go outside, there is no way of living in Nigeria. I know that please candidate of Nigeria to look at PDP. The party will honor you. The party will dignify you. The party will be what you are. Maybe you president, maybe you governor, maybe you minister, maybe you are. Come back to the court. It is now payment time for PDP. Therefore, I hope that the people here, the enthusiasm, the zeal, the cordial organization is not guiding us. And therefore, I just please invite those who are outside, only for forgiveness, we are willing to forgive, the people of Nigeria, the only for each other, the people of PDP, and therefore let us embrace unity. What about anybody else? PDP cannot be oppressed by anybody, cannot be owned by anybody. It's a Nigerian politics. And therefore, I will stay focused, stay committed. The journey ahead is very, very difficult. It's for those with the discipline, with the commitment, and the right character. Assalamu alaikum.